So once you click on that link, it will take you to this screen where you have to provide your email ID, and then you have to provide your personal details to create the CRM trial instance. So I will give the email. Once email is provided, click on next, and then in this screen you have to click on setup account. So once you click on setup account, you have to give your first name and last name. Middle name is optional. CRM admin. Then you have to give the anybody can provide your number in the chat. So meanwhile, we'll fill in the company. Company name can be anything. So demo CRM. Company size, you can put anything, but try to put 10 to 24 because Microsoft will provide 25 free licenses, so we can leverage those. And then you have to select the country. So business number. So once we provide all this data, first name, last name, mobile phone, company, so we can click on next. So send verification code. Can you also ping the OTP, Sujit? Once you provide OTP, click on verify. Okay. Now here you have to give the domain name. So domain is something like the company. So we can give any dummy company name. So once you enter the domain name, just click on save. It's not available. Dynamics 360. So this is my domain name, and we have to provide the password. So what password is, you can give anything. I'm giving pass word one. Pass word one. So once you provide the password, just click on next. Okay. See. As you can see here, we are creating Dynamic 365 Customer Engagement Plan trial. And let's start your free 1 month trial today. So which will work for 1 month. Okay. So once all these details are submitted, just copy this name, username. This is your username. Otherwise, you will forget it. This is my username and password I have given is pass@word one. So once you put all this detail, just click on start using Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement Plan trial. Now customer engagement trial is created. After that, the next step what we have to do is we have to enable sales application. For that, you can click on Dynamics 365 Sales Trial. Click on this first link. I'll give you this link as well. Okay. And then click on try free. Here you can give the username that you have created your Dynamics 365 copy. Okay. So here also we need to provide our identification, the mobile number. Paste and submit.
ఇక్కడ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ నెంబర్ అడుగుతుంది కదా పాన్ అంటే ట్యాక్స్ ఐడి ఆర్ పాన్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్
ఏదైనా ఇవ్వచ్చు. మీ జెన్యూన్ ఐడి డీటెయిల్సే కాదు, యూ కెన్ గివ్ ఎనీథింగ్. బట్ పాన్ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు ఆ ఫార్మాట్లోనే ఉండాలి. Okay. Yeah. Now you can see the trial is created. So this is the CRM application. So we call this as a organization URL. ఇది కూడా కాపీ చేసుకుందాం. org URL. Okay. And this is my username and password. ఇట్లా మనం this is how we can create our CRM trial. Now how to log in? మీరు you just close this browser. Tomorrow you want to start. So I'll just show you in the incognito. So when you started, you just need to use this organization URL, copy this URL, just paste it here. Paste చేసిన తర్వాత you will get the username and password. Copy. That's why you have to note everything when you're using the trial version. Username, click on next, then password. This is my password. Sign in. So once you provided all this data, then it will take you to the CRM screen. Everybody noted this uh, links. I will provide these links also here. How to create trial. First, we have to access this link, then create. Then we have to access another link. We'll also provide that link here. This is the second link. Okay, and this is done. Next, we'll see how to create users. Why we need to create users? Tell me how many users are there in the CRM as of now? Anybody can tell me? There will be only one user as of now. That one user is myself, who have given all my personal details to create the CRM. Now I want to add you all. Sujit, Anil, Radhya. I want to add everyone. So for that, I need to create the users, right? So how to create users? Just click on this setting icon, click on advanced settings. Under settings, click on security, click on users. Okay, what we need to do first, on settings icon, then advanced settings, and then security, and then users, and then click on new user. Add and license user, it will take you to the admin portal. You can see there is only one user. With this, I have created the CRM account. So to create another user, click on add user. So first I will create Sujit. Sujit, last name. What is your last name?
Babu.
And username I will just give as Sujit. And this is the domain name. Password I'm manually creating it. Same password, pass@word one. Next. And here you need to enable this license. This one and this one. And then click next. Next and finish adding. Close. Now you can see there are two users. Now if I go back and check in the CRM in enable users, if I search Sujit, this user will not be available. Now to make this user available, what we need to do is we will provide the user details to this user. The user will try to log in. So I will use this organization URL again. This time I will log in with Sujit account, which we have created. Okay. So here, what is the Sujit account name? This is the email. Copy. Paste. Next. password. I have given the password as pass at word 1. Sign in. We need to reset the password for the first time. Pass at word 1. And then click on sign in. Now tell me whether the user is able to log in the CRM. What I am getting? Sujit need Microsoft Dynamics 365 security role to access. So we have created the user, but we haven't provided access to the user, right? Now how to provide access? In the users, if I refresh, Sujit is now available. I'll just open this user and go to security roles, manage roles. So we have all these roles. Just give system admin. We will discuss this in the future classes. System administrator, system customizer. Now I have provided access to Sujit by giving the security role. Now if I go back and refresh, let's sign out and sign in again. So this is the organization URL. This is one. Pass. Update word. Okay. I will reset the user password again. To reset user password, we just have to select the user in the admin portal. Click on these three dots or else open the user. Reset password. Reset password. Okay. Now we'll try to log in. Sujit at 123. Sujit at 123. Now we are able to log in successfully with the Sujit account. Initially, with the very first time, we got error, right? Dynamics 365 needs role to access the CRM. Now, after providing the roles to the user is able to log in successfully. So in one account, I have login with this user CRM demo through which I have created the account, and in another browser, I have created another account for Sujit. So similarly, we can add multiple users. So we can add one by one, or we can add multiple users. Add multiple users. So we can give the users directly here, or if we want to, uh, let me, if we want to upload, then we can check this box. I would like to upload a CSV with user information, and here download a blank CSV files with the required headers. Just download it, save. Here also you can update, provide manually, but I will show you how we can do it through the Excel. So here you have to give the username. This is the important one. Okay, so here this is the domain of our CRM. So username Kiran at the rate domain. If you provide any uh, wrong details here, it won't take. Then who else are there? Radhe, Anil at. Okay. And here first name, last name, display name is also a required. First name Kiran. Thank you. Anil. Radhe, and we have to do the display name. I will copy this display name also. I want to keep the same. Just save this. Okay. Now upload this file. Browse. Select this one. So if we get any error, which means the file data is not correct. Now we don't have any errors. Just click on next. You can see 4 users are adding. So for these 4 users, I'm adding the licenses. Next, add user. Close. Now you can see here users are added through the Excel, bulk users. So for example, in the domain name, you see DYN and this is the number. If you miss anything for my trial, this is my domain. When you create, this will be changed. So when you're creating, you need to keep the same domain for all the users. So you cannot change the domain in your CRM. Whatever domain is created, you need to follow the same domain to create another users in your CRM trial version. Now we have created this user first time and Sujit Babu as manual creation. Now I want to give access to Radhaya. Now I will reset the password of this user. Open the user, reset the password, password name pass at word reset, close. Now I am opening another browser. I'm just copying this organization URL, paste. Now try to log in with Radhayas. So email is, I'll just copy this email, paste here. Password is pass at word one. First time it will ask to reset the password. We need to reset pass at word one. Once we provided the password, then we can click on sign in. So this first time we will get the CRM error because the user is not having any roles. Now we'll just go in CRM in this. Uh, okay, here users, under security users, enable users, Radhaya. Radhaya is now available. Just open the user and assign the role. Click on manage role, system administrator, customize. Click OK. Now we'll just refresh. Let's sign out and sign in again. This is the URL. Yes, that's what is. Now user can able to access. So I have logged in with 3 users. Radhaya and here CRM myself and here Sujit. So that's how you can create the CRM trial and then add the users, individual users or bulk users through Excel import, and you have to assign the roles.